We are here exploring Elephant Fall in Shillong, guys. One amazing, natural, beautiful place, guys. Yeah, let's show them. Let's see. It's so nice, guys. See the hills. So this side you will find different stuff, shopping, local traditional things, and you can find also restaurants. Yeah. Hello Shillong, Meghalaya, Kum No Plong Paralok, your African boy Gabs Gabi, and today I'm with my friend. Come and say hi.
Hi everyone.
Yeah, tell them your name.
My name is Rana.
Yeah, I'm here with Rana because of him. I got to come this place. He's my local guide, and thank you for bringing.
Thank you so much.
For
Welcome
getting
to
me
Shillong.
here. Welcome to Shillong.
Beautiful.
Thank you so much. So he brought me to one elephant falls here, right?
Yeah.
Elephant falls in Shillong.
Yeah.
This place specifically is called
Actually,
this area.
This area,
Ah.
Sanchonong.
San Shillong,
Yeah.
like Upper Shillong.
Yeah, Upper Shillong.
This is
side.
Upper Shillong, guys. One amazing, beautiful nature, but just have a view from here, guys. Wow, I just feel like I'm in heaven, heaven on earth. So let me see you the main point and where people mostly just come and have fun, guys. Yeah, feels so good. People are all here having nice time. Yeah, this is the Elephant Falls. I don't know why they call it Elephant Falls, but this is the best view of here. So beautiful, right? Yeah, so nice to be outside here. Amazing view, guys. Amazing. This is Meghalaya, natural, amazing places outside here. Say hi to this family. This is YouTube, okay?
Hello.
Hi.
Enjoy, guys. Have
Yeah,
fun.
I think you guys from other state, not Shillong.
Yeah. We are
From?
from New Delhi.
New
capital.
Delhi.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. I'm from Africa, South Sudan. Nice to meet you, sir.
Same here.
Okay, enjoy. Yeah, guys, so big place, so huge. Like the falls is coming from up there, guys. Like there is first fall, second fall, and this is the main fall. So we are falling for you, Meghalaya, falling so bad for your amazing, beautiful place. Yeah, thank you. So guys, basically there is three falls here. The first fall is that side, you can see the first fall, and meanwhile down here you will get the second fall, and the main fall is the third fall. So second and third will be down there, but the most beautiful fall is the third fall, which is the last one, and here is like the name of the fall. Yeah, this is where people used to come. This is the main photo point. Yes, it's looking beautiful, guys. The place is amazing, but not recommended for pregnant women. And if you are weak, you will definitely walk and get tired so easily here. So let me show you the first fall. This is the waterfall, and this is the first fall. This is the first fall, guys.
You know the local name of this?
Huh?
I know the local.
The local name is
Kshad Lai Pateng.
Shai Lai Pateng.
Yes.
Shai means
Kshad Falls.
falls.
Waterfalls. Kshad.
Shai.
Kshad.
Shat.
Kshad.
Kshat.
Kshred.
Kshat.
Kshad. Yes.
Kshat.
Kshad means waterfalls.
Okay. Full you can say. Kishad what?
Kshad Lai Pateng.
Kishat Lai Pateng. So we meaning?
Floor, no? First floor,
Shait
second-
Lai Pateng.
Lai Pateng.
It's like numbering.
Yeah, number.
Shait Lai Pateng, guys. We came to explore this amazing place, guys. So beautiful, and there is so many stuff you can try out here. Like you can go for trying the local dress of Meghalaya, and you will find different items. You can do shopping also inside here, guys. Yeah, you can go now.
Yeah. First day starting day tomorrow. Second day, right? Last day tomorrow.
So here you can try the local the local dress of Meghalaya, guys. You can see. Yeah.
Okay, tomorrow I will try my best.
I have so many items here.
You stay there only.
Those are all the local stuff, local traditional dress. Hey, you said what? What is the king or what?
The king palace, yeah.
Huh?
King?
King palace.
This one? This one is the king house?
Yeah, it's the king house, yes.
The king house.
In this house, no,
Huh?
they don't attach here any
They
iron.
said any iron. Only woods.
Only yes, only
Natural
woods.
things.
Complete natural.
Yeah,
Yes.
complete natural.
Okay. Who is the king of who? King of is the king of
Of the Hima
that clan or
no of this particular
clan or village
village
district?
in that particular Hima, no.
At the end of the day, you know, the ancient history says that we were all natural worshippers.
Yeah, sure.
Nature worshippers.
Yeah.
Even whole Africa.
Yeah.
Yes. So this is the king house, guys.
We have been
Actually, I'm planning also to visit. I'm going to attend that festival, guys.
this thing.
And I can't wait to witness the Nongkren festival, guys. They say the king house doesn't have a single iron or nail
But we
even.
are settled.
So everything is just like
nearby Delhi.
naturally done with wood. And see how amazing are their culture, guys. Oh, so beautiful. See you. Go and check the other vlog for the Nongkren festival.
So
Yeah, I will try my best because
Yeah,
this
yeah.
thing I love.
yeah, sure.
I'll make you speak to my driver.
You said umbrella of what?
Make out of gold.
Okay.
Gold.
Okay.
I'll
Yo, see the nature, the beautiful nature. Elephant Fall, Shillong. Okay guys, so we are leaving the Elephant Falls. It was nice experience, amazing. And you just have to know that there is certain restriction in every place you will visit, guys. Yeah, this is the way to a long way, guys. So the entry fee was 100, whether you're foreigner or local, it's 100 only. And they have also restriction for cameras. If you want to film something like that, you have to pay separate. But yeah, it was nice experience. So this way ahead going to Nongstein. A lot of friends of mine, they are saying, okay, come to Nongstein. Nongstein.
Yes, Nongstein, not
Nongstein.
Nongstein,
huh?
West Cassihans.
Oh. Is it a nice place to visit? Is it worth visiting?
Yeah, it's a good place.
Okay, maybe see you one day, one time in Nongstein, guys. Thank you so much. Check next video.